In this short video, I am going to show you how you can protect your phone from the hackers and bad applications. So first of all, we go to the Google Play Store, click the three dots on the left side, select the Play Protect. Once we select this one, you can see there the turn on Play Protect scanning. So we turn on the scanning. After turning on the scanning, this one automatically scan all the installed applications in your phone. If there is any harmful application or hacking tools, it will automatically notify you that remove the application. It's very helpful to keep on this to protect from the hackers and protect your everything in your phone fully. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.